Today, let's discuss prostate specific antigen PSA test. What is PSA test? A prostate specific antigen test is a blood test that measures the level of PSA in a sample of your blood. PSA is a protein made by your prostate. The prostate is a gland in the male reproductive system. It lies just below the bladder. It makes the fluid part of semen. What causes of high PSA? It's normal to have a low level of PSA in your blood, but a high level PSA may be caused by prostate cancer, an enlarged prostate, other common prostate problems, and taking certain medicines. Why PSA test is done? A PSA test is used to screen for prostate cancer. Cancer screening means looking for signs of cancer before it causes symptoms. But screening test can't diagnose cancer. If a screening test finds signs of cancer, you will need other tests to find out if you have cancer and how serious it may be. Most types of prostate cancer grow very slowly. They don't spread beyond the prostate and may never cause health problem. In fact, you can live a long life with prostate cancer and never know you have it. The goal of prostate cancer screening is to help find cancers that may be more likely to spread so they can be treated early. But there are challenges and possible harms from using a PSA test to screen for prostate cancer. First, a PSA test can't tell the difference between abnormal PSA levels from prostate cancer and non-cancerous conditions. If your PSA level is high, a prostate biopsy is the only way to find out if the cause is cancer, and prostate biopsies have possible harms. Second, a PSA test may lead to finding and treating prostate cancer that would never have affected your health. What are the symptoms of prostate specific antigen? Symptoms of prostate conditions such as apply in painful or frequent urination, blood in urine or semen, pelvic and or back pain. If you have prostate cancer, your provider, your doctor may use PSA testing to monitor your condition or to see how well your treatment is working. What do the PSA results mean? Actually, there is no specific normal or abnormal level for PSA in blood. In general, the higher your PSA level, the more likely it is that you have cancer. But it's possible to have a high PSA without prostate cancer or a low PSA with prostate cancer. If you had a PSA test for prostate cancer screening or because you have prostate symptoms, high PSA level can mean you have prostate cancer or a prostate condition that's not cancer, such as an infection or an enlarged prostate. If your PSA level are higher than normal, your provider, your doctor may talk with you about having more tests to diagnose the cause. These tests may include another PSA test, more commonly if you don't have any symptoms. PSA level can go up and down, so it's helpful to see if your PSA level change over time. A digital rectal exam. For this test, your provider insert a gloved, lubricated finger into your rectum to feel your prostate for lumps or anything unusual. In the past, PSA level of 4.0 ng/ml and lower were considered normal. However, some individuals with PSA level below 4.0 ng/ml have prostate cancer, and many with higher PSA levels of between 4 and 10 ng/ml do not have prostate cancer. What is the best treatment for the high level of PSA test? Here we go. 1. Eat more tomatoes. 2. Choose healthy protein sources. 3. Take vitamin D. 4. Drink green tea. 5. Reduce stress. 6. Stay lean. 7. Eat smarter. 8. Exercise daily. It should come as no surprise, but a high fat diet has been linked to prostate cancer. A high fat diet can boost testosterone levels, which in turn can create an increased risk in developing prostate cancer. Thank you for watching the video.